Brian back here with a look at Popcat. Make sure my volume's up here. The other day when we did a video, we looked at this. This ended up losing this trend line that it's kept since, geez, way back in beginning of September. Okay, held this trend line, held it, broke it. Looked like it was going to come back up, retest, and roll over. Okay, it absolutely looked like that. Had a target down here, you know, from the bottom. We were looking at a drop down into this box, right down into, let me show you here, then I'm going to show you where we're headed, right down into this area down here. Okay, ended up doing a fake out, ripped right back up the other side here. This just didn't happen in one candle either. This is on a daily chart. If you come out here, let's go on a 4-hour candle. You can see here, kind of messed around down in here for a while. I even seen a few people on YouTube, some big traders, that we're going to take this short on this thing. There was a lot of people talking about it. A short right when it came back up here and hit, rolled over and came down. That would have been a massive short. You would have been talking, you know, right from here down on a 10x, 4x in your money, 4.5x in your money. All right, so there would have been big money in there. Even on a 20x would have 8x your money. Anyways, Popcat ended up breaking back up the other side. So this looks out of play, which is perfectly fine. It's regained the trend line. It's retested it now as support again. Okay, now what I'm looking at in here. First off, let me show you over here real quick. How about this? How about Bitcoin? Unbelievable, huh? Look at this candle. We're on the monthly there. Let's go on the daily. I mean, look at this big, nice green, bullish engulfing candle. That's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see it looks like a fifth wave coming in here on this thing. Let's get a measurement on it. Yeah, looks like it could have a little bit more of a push up towards 77.8. If this is a fifth wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like it possibly could be a fifth wave up here. But overall, if we zoom out on this thing has broken this bull flag to the upside. There was a bull flag in here. You can take and put a trend line right down through here for a bull flag. You know, also a wedge pattern in here. But anyway, it ended up breaking through to the upside, and the targets for this thing, 89 to 102,000. How do we get both of those numbers? Well, right off of here, a 1618 would put you up around 88 to 89,000 bucks. If you go off back in 2021, the previous all-time high, and bring it over, that's how you get 102.4. Okay, so anywhere in this box up here, and we've talked about this for months and months and months on this channel. And if you would, please hit the like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that very, very much, guys. You got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fifth wave up here. Okay, so gonna be some nice moves in this market for sure. The crypto bubble's out there, absolutely slamming it today. Look at some of these numbers, and I've been talking about the Bitcoin dominance, all this stuff. GOAT, I have a few people over in Discord asking about that. Yeah, we're killing it. We got in a Caspa long last night, absolutely nailed that Caspa long. That went very, very well. So I expect to see this quite normally now, especially with Bitcoin dominance up where it's at now. It is up towards a rejection zone where we're looking for an alt season to come in here. Okay, let's get this off here real quick. I'm going to pull up Bitcoin dominance real quick and show you this. It is right up into the 618. Once again, been talking about this for months and months and months. Expect it to get rejected up here, break this trend line, and roll over. Okay, possibly down 27 percentile, down towards that area. All right, last time it back here when it hit the 618, it hit it twice back in 2021 and 2020. Both times it rolled over. 2021 was our alt season right here, our big run. And right through here, this should be the next one. As soon as it loses this yellow trend line, look out. These altcoins are absolutely going to smash it. All right, now Popcat. I can see inside here you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and it looks like a fifth wave up right here. Okay, the target for this fifth wave, then we would expect an ABC correction. Target for this fifth wave, it's hit it. Look at that, perfect. 1618. If you want to learn how to do the charts like this, guys, sign up for level 3 membership. It's only $15, and you get a link to the Discord to come trade with us. Absolutely worth it. 15 bucks. You know, it's not like I'm making a killing off it. You get 10 hours worth of videos to teach how to start charting. 10 hours, over 20 videos. And you get a link to the Discord, all right, to come over and start trading with us. We are going to be making a killing with these longs right now, okay? With this market running the way it's going to run, you don't want to miss out on this money, all right? I would expect an ABC probably back down to this trend line down here. But right now, it looks like this thing could be tapped out for the time being. Watch for a correction to come in, especially on the shorter time frames, like this 15-minute. All right, you see this is probably an A wave coming down, an A leg coming down. You have a B wave back up, and then a C wave back down. I would imagine it's probably going to test this trend line. We'll leave it right like that. But the higher time frames, your daily RSI looks fantastic. After this ABC, I would see it continuing towards the upside. Your weekly RSI, right at the very top here. And your 5-day and your 3-day. Your 5-day is actually bearish to 71 to 77, and your 3-day. 3 days coming straight down. All right, so we will definitely keep an eye on this. But when you get this up here like this is on a 3-day chart. Let's get this ABC off here, because you can definitely see another 5 waves right here on the higher time frames. You got, let me point this out to you, because this will be a new all-time high. You got 1, 2, whoops, sorry about that. Let me do that one more time, because we're going to measure this fifth wave up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have a fifth wave coming up. This fifth wave, the measurement, the target for it, okay, is up 221. Yeah. Unbelievable, right? We are right in that zone right now, the Fibonacci area, where you want to see a breakthrough. Okay, for this to happen, we have to break through $1.68. It has to break through there. Okay, $1.81 is the top of the fib, and then we would have this upper side target up here, right up into this box, right up here. Okay, so that would definitely be the put a target up there. There you go. All right, so right now we are in a very crucial area. Either it holds support here and continues towards the upside, or it loses this trend line and loses support and continues to the downside. We'll see what happens right here. Okay, don't want to see a big A, B, C. All right, the correction come in here. You can see right now we're getting rejected at that 702. This area here, it has to make it through here for this price to go higher. Okay, has to make it through this box. $1.68 is that last resistance. It makes it through $1.68, then I would feel pretty confident saying the 221. Now that daily RSI, like I said, it is heading towards the upside. Your 12-hour still heading up. It's good to see. The 8-hour right at the very top. Your 4 is at the top. What's going to come into play here? The 15 is just reset. That's good to see. All right, now that fifth wave came in. All right, right here. Let's go in on a 1 hour. All right, this is going to tell a lot, this ABC, if it holds this support line. If it holds this support line, I would feel pretty confident in saying that we're heading higher. Okay, so this yellow support, this is going to be absolutely huge. All right, draw your chart, put that yellow trend line on there, and keep an eye on that, because that we definitely need to hold. And like I said, you want to see a break of this box. If we get a break of this box, 221 would be the target. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.